Murphy Auction is a commercial industrial auction company. We do auctions throughout the United States. Probably more than 3/4 of the states we've done auctions in.
So the public is allowed to come in on our designated preview days. They can crawl around items, they can have trucks started, they can hear them run. And conversely, if you want to sell something, we sell items for the public. We have vehicles that we sell for the public.
With us being around for 50 plus years in this area, we're very well known. Our integrity and our honesty in everything we do, you don't get that nowadays.
I think one thing that auctions lend themselves to is collaboration. Contractors don't get together and have meetings with other contractors, but the auction site becomes the community for those contractors. The location inside this Cascade Industrial Center is great for that because a lot of construction that happens in the metro area is started up here. And so putting us right here gives not only people the ability to consign, but the ability to buy. And then they all kind of meet here to come look at the next latest and greatest excavator that's on the auction block.
I mean, all of our customers, they just love that we're here now. It's a little further north for the south end guys, but a lot closer for the north end guys. So, that's going to create a lot more business for us, especially with the bigger yard, easier access, highway frontage. We didn't have that highway frontage in Kenmore. It's just Smoky Point Boulevard. I don't know how many thousands of cars go by every day, 20,000, 30,000 cars. That's going to create a lot more just walk-in business.
I think it helps a lot of the customers if they have surplus equipment they need to get rid of. We'll be so close to them now, and then plus we'll hire quite a few people here to work because we'll be doing more and more auctions.
Our experience on our staff is really second to none. We have a very high retention rate here, and in this industry it gives us a lot of experience in a lot of different avenues. I worked in Marysville 15 years ago, and the James Murphy Company picked me up at an auction. I ran a boat company up here, and the first day I was up here, I met one of my old customers, and he said, "Welcome back to the neighborhood." And that's the type of response we've had top to bottom from the city of Marysville. We really couldn't ask for a better partner in the city of Marysville.